Hey, this is Ben, and we're looking at Lego set 75310. This is the Duel on Mandalore with Ahsoka and Darth Maul. This is a cool little set that is taken from Clone Wars and the final battle between Ahsoka and Darth Maul, where it starts in the throne room. Let's take a closer look. It does come with this Ahsoka minifigure with 2 blue lightsabers. There's a Darth Maul minifigure with his dual lightsaber. And as far as the set, there's a couple cool features here. One is the window in the back here breaks away, depicting the scene where Darth Maul goes flying through the window. This is cool because it is attached, so it can just break away and it stays attached. In this throne, there's also a secret compartment where you can find a blaster. This set also comes with this Mandalorian vault, which is where Darth Maul gets imprisoned. So we can place Darth Maul in there. There are a few stickers that come with this set, including this front piece here, this piece here. And then the lines and coloration on the back window are also stickers. And then one more sticker on the vents at the bottom of the throne here. This is a really awesome set, especially if you're a fan of the Clone Wars. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.